Hello everyone, and welcome back to Pipe Rhodium. Today I'm going to be showing you my new 2-meter antenna. This has been a couple of weeks in the process of making. So essentially, as you can tell, it's a simple 2-meter antenna with basically the point of this was to make the best possible antenna without actually buying anything new. So I've just got some nice wire. Oh, it's out of focus. Sorry. This is running down, and then about halfway. This is 1 meter, by the way. So it's a half wavelength antenna, and then to save space, I decided to coil it. That's just how it happened. Then in here, I've got a splitter which goes to a normal TV coax, just for cheapness, and then I've got one of these 3-way splitters in here where I just have the antenna, and then it goes to a normal TV coax all the way to the other side of the house. I have 2 grounding wires, so these are the negative of the antenna. I'm still working on a better system for this, but for right now it's just got 2 wires. One goes into this tripod. It's not actually a tripod, it's actually from a music stand, which I've just weighed down and then have an extra weight here. And so this will be part of my negative part of the antenna. Then this white wire is also connected to the negative. It just runs over here, and it basically is just a coil just to get rid of any extra radiation. So that's basically it for the top part, and let's go down to the actual end. Now, instead of drilling a hole through the wall, I've decided to actually just use my room. My room's a window. Sorry, I don't know how to talk. So the coax is coming through here, and it's not being pressured, which is good. And to insulate, I just have an old sweatshirt in here, and it's just completely blocking the cold. So, very simple. Once the coax hits this container, it goes to a coax female end, and it comes out as a normal ham radio coax, or a CV. As you can tell, I only have 2 wires here, so up until about this point, this is not coax. Now, I can kind of make a way around it, as in, with the positive wire, I have tinfoil surrounding it, then I have electrical tape around that, and then again, over everything, I have tinfoil again, and then I have another layer of electrical tape. So this is basically my entire antenna setup, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.